Hi all, today I will be covering the chapter on business reporting, visual analytics and business performance management. The learning outcomes from this chapter are: define business reporting and understand its historical evolution, recognize the need for and the power of business reporting, understand the importance of data, information visualization, learn different types of visualization techniques, appreciate the value that visual analytics brings to business intelligence, know the capabilities and limitations of dashboards, understand the nature of business performance management, learn the closed loop BPM technology, describe the basic elements of the balanced scorecard. And I will start with business reporting. A report is any communication artifact prepared with the specific intention of conveying information in a presentable form. A report can fulfill many functions: to ensure proper functioning of the department, to provide information, to provide the results of an analysis, to persuade others to act, and to create an organizational memory. A business report is a written document that contains information regarding business matters. The key to any successful business report is: number 1, clarity, number 2, brevity, number 3, completeness, and number 4, correctness. Data visualization is the use of visual representations to explore, make sense of, and communicate data. Data visualization techniques and tools make the users of business analytics and business intelligence systems better information consumers. Visual analytics is the combination of visualization and predictive analytics. Increasing demand for visual analytics coupled with fast growing data volumes led to exponential growth in highly efficient visualization systems investment. Emergence of new companies like Tableau, Spotfire, Likeview will tell you about the importance of data visualization in business. In this class, in assignment 5, 6 and 7, we will be working with the data visualization software Tableau. In 5 and 6, we will be analyzing the data along with visualization, and in assignment 7, we will be building a dashboard, okay, using Tableau. So what are dashboards? Dashboards provide visual displays of important information that is consolidated and arranged on a single screen so that information can be digested at a single glance and easily drilled in and further explored. You can look at an executive dashboard here. And the fundamental challenge of dashboard design is to display all the required information on a single screen clearly and without distraction in a manner that can be assimilated quickly. I believe you will enjoy working on assignment 7, where you will be building a dashboard using Tableau in this class. Visual analytics include information visualization and predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is future focused. That means by looking at the data, you would be able to predict what is going to happen and why will it happen. And there is a very strong move toward visual analytics. What to look for in a dashboard? Use of visual components to highlight data and exceptions that require action. It must be transparent to the user, meaning that they require minimal training and are extremely easy to use. Combine data from a variety of systems into a single summarized united view of the business. Enable drill down or drill through to underlying data. Present a dynamic real-world view with timely data, and require little coding to implement, deploy and maintain the dashboard. Next, we will be talking about Business Performance Management or BPM. BPM refers to the processes, methodologies, metrics and technologies used by enterprises to measure, monitor and manage business performance. Business Performance Management or BPM is an outgrowth of business intelligence, and it incorporates many of business intelligence's technologies, applications and techniques. The primary difference between BI and BPM is that BPM is always strategy driven. Business Performance Management encompasses a closed loop set of processes that link strategy to execution in order to optimize business performance. The key processes in BPM we will be talking about next. The key processes are strategize, plan, monitor or analyze, act or adjust. And each will have its own processes and steps. Strategy will answer the question, where do we want to go in the future? Decades of research highlight the gap between strategy and execution. The gap between strategy and execution is found in the broad areas of communication, alignment, focus and resources. Now, operational and tactical plans address the question, how do we get to the future? An organization's strategic objectives and key metrics should serve as top-down drivers for the allocation of the organization's tangible and intangible assets. Monitoring will address the question, how are we doing? And act and adjust will answer the question, why do we need to do it differently? So success will depend on new projects, creating new products, entering new markets, acquiring new customers, or streamlining some processes. Next, we will talk about Key Performance Indicators or KPI. KPI represents a strategic objective and metrics that measure performance against a goal. Some of the distinguishing features of KPIs are strategy, targets, ranges, encodings, time frames and benchmarks. Okay, then we will be talking about key performance indicator, the outcome KPIs versus the driver KPIs. Outcome KPIs will be lagging indicators like revenues, and driver KPIs leading indicators, for example sales lead. And operational areas covered by driver KPIs are customer performance, service performance, sales operations, sales plan, forecast, etc. Then Balanced Scorecard or BSC is probably the best known and most widely used performance management system. Central to the Balanced Scorecard methodology is a holistic vision of a measurement system tied to the strategic direction of the organization. As a measurement methodology, BSC is designed to overcome the limitations of systems that are financially focused. As a strategic management methodology, BSC enables an organization to align its actions with its overall strategy. In balanced scorecard method, strategy maps provide a way to formally represent an organization's strategic objectives and the causal connections among them. Finally, Six Sigma as a performance measurement system. Most companies use Six Sigma as a process improvement methodology that enables them to scrutinize their processes, pinpoint problems, and apply remedies. Six Sigma is a performance management methodology aimed at reducing the number of defects a business process in a business process to as close to 0 defects per million opportunities as possible. Six Sigma uses DMAIC, a closed-loop business improvement model that involves the steps of defining, measuring, analyzing, improving, and controlling a process. Substantial performance benefits can be gained by integrating the scorecard method and Six Sigma. The major business performance management applications include strategy management, budgeting, planning and forecasting, financial consolidation, profitability analysis and optimization, and financial, statutory and management reporting. Over the past 3-4 years, the biggest change in business performance market has been the consolidation of the business performance management vendors. This is essentially your chapter on business reporting, visual analytics and BPM. Thank you.